India is considered to be one of the world's largest democracy, and the best example of the same can be noticed in Mumbai with the presence of the richest and the largest municipal corporation of India. Yes friends, this is MCGM, Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, also known as BMC since its inception. The level of governance actually starts from the local level. The legislative body of BMC is directly elected by the people. It is also located next to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus, which is also known as VT, and for the ruthless attack of 26/11 and the courageous behavior of our Indian armed forces in saving the hostages. Bombay, now Mumbai, is a historic city which had a great involvement in the freedom struggle of the country. There are various monuments commemorating the historical events which occurred in various parts of the city. Agast Kranti Maidan, earlier known as Gowalia Tank, is one such place which is of a great historical relevance. On 8th August 1942, Mahatma Gandhi and other prominent leaders held a meeting in this ground to fight for the freedom, asking the British to quit India. The ground witnessed one of the largest mass revolution, which is Kranti in Hindi, with a gathering of more than 10,000 people for freedom in the month of August. Hence, the ground has been renamed as Agast Kranti Maidan. What would one think when hearing the name the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel? A rich power-packed heritage? A luxurious and comfortable stay at a 5-star facility? True? Ladies and gentlemen, but the fact is, it has always been an icon in its own. It will be remembered for various pleasant and critical events. A hotel which was built before the independence for the Indians and people of then Bombay, now Mumbai. After an incident involving racial discrimination at the Watson's Hotel in Mumbai, where the founder of Taj Hotel in Mumbai, Mr. Jamshedji Tata, was not allowed to enter the hotel due to being an Indian, and hotel only permitted European guests. This was very common in hotels across British India. The hotel was first site for ships calling at Bombay port before the Gateway of India was built. During the World War I, the hotel was converted into a military hospital of 600 beds. The hotel also witnessed the most desirable announcement for British India from its steps, where the Lord Mountbatten announced the India's independence. The hotel has also experienced the most ruthless act of 26/11 attacks and courageous response from Indian armed forces in freeing the hostages.